Daryl Smith here with DL Smith Ignites. I'm excited to share with you an amazing experience we had with the dedicated team at Bernie Elementary School. We came together recently to address something that affects all of us: burnout. When you're giving all to others, whether it's in the classroom, at work, or in your personal life, it's easy to lose sight of yourself. That's why it's so important to recognize the signs of burnout before it's too late. I had the privilege of delivering a powerful and impactful speech on the 8 dimensions of wellness and how each one affects our overall energy and well being. These 8 dimensions are physical, emotional, social, spiritual, intellectual, environmental, occupational, and financial wellness are all interconnected. If one area is out of balance, it can affect the others and ultimately lead to burnout. So, I shared with the team 5 steps on how to identify imbalances in their lives and how to improve those areas to find balance and regain their energy. Step 1: recognize the energy shift. The first step is recognizing when your energy is shifting. Are you feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or just exhausted? Acknowledging this early is key because once you recognize the shift, you can address it before it becomes burnout. Step 2: take action. After recognizing the shift, it's time to take action. What's causing the imbalance? What steps can you take to address it? Whether it's setting better boundaries, asking for support, or prioritizing self care. Taking action empowers you to regain control. Step 3: create a plan. Creating a plan to improve each dimension of your wellness is essential. Start small. Maybe it's dedicating 10 minutes a day to mindfulness, setting time aside for physical activity, or making sure you're getting enough rest. A solid plan gives you a path forward. Step 4: celebrate small wins. Celebrate the progress you make. Every small victory matters, whether it's sticking to a new routine, feeling more energized, or simply taking time for yourself. Those wins will keep you motivated and remind you of your power. Step 5: create a support team. You don't have to do this alone. Build a support team that you can help that can help guide you through the process. Whether it's friends, family, colleagues, or mentors, having a support system is crucial for overcoming burnout and staying on track. Then what we did was we incorporated a team building. And to truly drive home these principles, we developed a team building component with the Leaders Institute. The focus here was on reinforcing the power of teamwork, self discovery, and improving workplace culture. Team building exercises don't just help you work better together, they help you connect on a deeper level, foster trust, and create an environment that's not only productive, but supportive. Through these activities, the team was able to bond, reflect on their own strengths, and discover how they can support each other and maintain a healthy work life balance. The results were powerful, and it's clear that when we work together, we not only improve our work culture, but also enhance our personal well being. So, now, here's the challenge I have for you. Reflect on the 8 dimensions of wellness in your life. Are they helping you feel your best, or are they draining your energy? Take a moment to evaluate where you need balance and take action to improve those areas. If you're ready to dive deeper into how to regain balance and energy, message me to be a part of my Hearing from the Expert podcast. Together, we'll explore strategies to help you live your best, most energized life. So, make this the year of balance, energy, and wellness, one step at a time. D.L. Smith here. I am here for you. Let's get it together. Let me help you become the best version of yourself right now.